Welcome to MasoodDCR.com, Masood DCR Michigan Inc. Call Masood 586-795-5355 or cell 586-709-0218. Welcome to Winrest 32 Sidekick production number 5. This is Masood. We support Winrest 32 program, Easy Power, SNBC printer, and many cash register programming. If we have information available, we cannot support online product due to support to us not available. Please note, any non-brand product not supported by recognizing commercial USA distributor to authorized dealer, buy on your own risk. Sometimes we sell very low price product imported from China that have no warranty or guarantee from us or many resellers. So please be aware of that. Here we are talking about Winrest 32, and we are discussing to our new production Winrest Sidekick 5. Winrest 32 Sidekick 5. Let me remove this notification which I have on this so we can show you a better response. So I take this one out. This is out of the site, and I put this cover for safety so we can see it, and we can explain to you how this works. This is Masood. In this sessions, our topic is remote desktop to Winrest 32, the world's best and easiest point of sale software in mine and many of our colleagues working with the POS. This is our personal opinion based on our experiences. Let's start in this video. You will see 3 terminal. Let me show you. This is the one terminal. You show it already, and then I show you printers. There's a one printer on the back, and there's another printer on the front, and on the back you will see this terminal you see here. Okay, and also I see you another terminal on the back. Okay, so first one, we talk about this terminal. This is a 14-inch. Let me focus it properly. This is 14-inch cash terminal made by Cash USA. They are the #1 producer of scales, and their products are made in Korea. Very reliable product. So this is a 14-inch cash terminal, and in this terminal it's called a Cash OK POS with the Windows 7 POS radio operating system. This second is very low price Windows 10 tablet, which I showed you in the back, with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and with the minimum operating space available, only about 18 gigabyte of space after Windows take it. The third one is the latest state of the art Windows 10 Surface modified to Windows 10, and let me show you this one. This is the one I really love it. It's a Windows 10 It's a Windows 10 Surface by Microsoft. And we all know Microsoft produced a very high quality products. So coming back to this one, both 10-inch. Now the third terminal is the state-of-the-art Windows 10 Surface modified to Windows 10 tablet with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Both are 10 in a size, those tablets, and running Windows 10 operating system. Converted Microsoft Surface is converted to Windows 10, and the price range is about $400 to $800 in a retail. Windows Surface is connected through local Wi-Fi area network. iPad is RDP to 14-inch terminal, 210 window tablet. So let's begin the show. Winrest 32 software is capable of printing kitchen orders with the full modifiers and receipt through SNBC 180II. A super job. So let's show you the first Winrest, my best choice, because of this is a very reliable terminal, and we haven't had any problem with this machine. So I am going through the remote. So going through the remote, I don't have to point my finger. So first we have egg combo, we have a sizzling, we have a Benedict, we have an omelette, breakfast, toast, sweet tooth starter, open toast burgers. Now here we have bacon burger, and it says no tomatoes, no cheese, and well, no mayos. So when I finish it, you can see the order. It's a little bit far away, but you can see the order. Maybe I can show you the order here. So I can show you the order here, so you can see it. Now when I just try to show you the order here, you can see it in a tablet. Same thing you see over there, what you see here. So then I take an omelette, and I take avocado omelette, and we have a choice of bread: wheat, rye, wheat, English muffin, raisin bread. I say raisin bread with the grits or hash brown, and it's come with a ham, bacon, and sausage, and also put some American cheese. When we are done, you can see the two orders are done here. So now the total is $24.65, and I want to pay the bill. So when I pay the bill, I get a receipt. This is a kitchen order. I like to show you that you can see that how clear this kitchen order is. This is order number 35, and you can see the order. I can maybe say bacon, you have no tomatoes, and then you have avocado, things like that, with American cheese. So it's a 3/18-inch thermal paper which print the order. Now I want to pay it, so it's a $24.65, and I pay it with a $50 bill. So when I say so, change supposed to be 25.35, as you can see on there. So now I pay the bill. Now this time it's printed a receipt, and if you can see, the receipt also have order number 35, and you have all these things. So $24.65, you can say 24. Now we can also put the change and all those things in the receipt. Winrest 32, in my personal opinion, is the one of the world's best inexpensive software. Let me explain to you. I'm not the manufacturer. By the way, I'm not the manufacturer of this software. It's made and produced by ABS POS. I think that they are in Canada. So you can find their website, ABSPOS, and they will have details. But my personal opinion that this software has so much of detail. It has a table management system. It has what we call a time management system. So if you have a bar, you can have a 5 or 6 price levels, and the price change by the time. Also, there is a thing called LCU, a liquor control unit. So bar, it can be attached. It can be attached to Berg, or it can attach to a Canadian liquor control unit. Now you see here, if I have an open toast, for example, I have a strawberry avocado toast, and it's have a couple of syrup. So first they have a minus egg. So I don't want to do that. I finish here, and then I can choose the modifier. I have egg modifier, I have omelette choice, I have a sizzling choice, I have build your own, I have a pancake topping. So here I can select strawberry. Then I have a no tomatoes, or I can have a light spinach, and I have a combo choice, extra ham, all things like that. So we also have a choice of what's it called, open price. So I put another open food, $10, and now the total is 22, 26, and I paid, customer paid me $25. So you can see I have total $25 on the left corner. In the bottom you can see 25, total is 26, and I pay with the cash. So when I touch it, it gives me $22.60. Now we have a 2 receipt here. Receipt number 1 is your kitchen order, number 36. You can see strawberry avocado toast, strawberry, no tomatoes, spinach, extra ham, and an open food. And here you can see the same detail of receipt number 36, and it will say strawberry toast, tomatoes, open order, and it says like a $10, so it comes to $21, and then $1.26 is 6% tax of Michigan. Total comes to $22.66, and at the end it says thank you, call again. So the feature you have in a Winrest is a lot. Now I'm in a small resellers of the product, and I sell the product with the minimum efforts because I don't have a manpower to support all the feature which Winrest has to offer. So if you want a more details like a time management, schedules, all the other thing, you can contact ABSPOS, and they will be glad to help you. They are fully staffed, well trained, and they are producer of this software. Now another thing about the Winrest, that these people are in business, I think, for more than 60 years. I myself in a cash register point of sale business for 50 years, and I started my career as system designer with the Litton Suida cash register, which is called the Litton Industry or Litton International. Litton International was the pioneer of the Silicon Valley. The company established in the area. You can Wikipedia or Google it, and you can get the detail of Litton Industry, that how big industry it was. I think the time in 70s, the worthiness of the company was over $2 billion, which is equivalent to $200 billion today. But I was in a small branch of Customer Engineering Center at 46 Chauncey Avenue, which is on side route from Islington Avenue between uh, Bloor and Queensway. But anyway, that was my history. So now we come up the second tablet. So I want to show you this second tablet. I have to refocus my camera so you can see it much better. And I like to show you also with this thing. Now you may have some picture I'm not a photographer, so I just try to show you what I can to my best of the best. So this is the second tablet. It's a Windows Surface, and a Windows Surface, everybody knows, is made by Microsoft, and they're a very superior tablet with a 10-inch, I think it's a 10-inch screen display area. So you can see here we have the same thing in an omelette. So I take a cheese omelette. It's come with a hash, brown or grits, and it could come with a turkey sausage, skillet, and turkey, and then I have turkey patty, and I just finalize it. And when I finalize it, this is the only order, so I pay it here. So you see here the order printed, and it will say cheese omelette with a hash brown and turkey patties. Now when I pay and finalize the bill, is a $4.44, so I pay this time only $5. Now this time is print the receipt, and same thing, you see it's the order number, the same order number which appears on here, you can see, and the total of $4.44, and it's paid by cash. This tablet, the advantage on this tablet is, let me bring another order. Let me find out the burgers. So I have a dinner. I have a smelt dinner, and it comes like a 6 pieces, and it's come with the French fries. Now if I have an options, same thing I have here in the modifiers, I can say no tomato, no onion, no lettuce, no beets, and then I says add ham, and I says make it combo, and a dressing I says Greek, because combo come with a salad, so they need a dressing. And then I pay the bill. So it's pay the bill, and it's $20. Pay, cash it out, $12.26, and $20, $7.74 change. Now I like to show you the receipt on this one. So the first receipt is the order number. You can see it here, 22. And you have all the details, like a 6-piece smelt dinner, and French fries, no tomato, no onion, no lettuce, no beets, no ham, and make it combo. And because it came with the salad in a combo, and the dressing choice is a Greek. So these are the same machine and very same. Now another advantage in a tablet, that I can take this tablet away, and you can see I am splitting the power, so there is nothing is attached to it, and I can press the order here, and I can pay it. See, this I can take to the customer place. I take in order as for a small restaurants, and everything comes here, and then I come back and I can put this thing back here in my tablet stand. So I don't need anything more than that. I can change the angle. By putting something, so the tablet will be looks like this. Now I'm going to move my thing to the third machine, and let me show you here. Now the third machine I have, come on. You know, sometimes you buy the cheap stuff. This is the kind of experience you have to go through. I sign it. So I put my cheap machine here, and I put my tablet here. So let me show you all the setup. So I go to my simple window tablet. Very inexpensive. If I say to you, probably you will not believe the price. I think I paid about $100 for this tablet. But of course, that's the wholesale price we pay. So here, I'm going to switch myself to this tablet. So let me find out on my, so I go here to switch to my tablets, and you can see I got it here. So I ring some order here. Every time you see the orders are going through, and then I pay it, and when I pay it, the receipt will be coming out from that Bluetooth printer. Okay, this tablet is very inexpensive, and it's work with the printer. Now why the receipt is not coming out from the printer, I have to see it, but I know, but sometime I may be out of paper or something. But anyway, that printer so somehow the communication between, oh, here we see, okay, now you see it, here comes up, here's another comes up. Now remember one thing, sometimes Bluetooth take a time to establish the relationship, but once it is established, it is fast. Bluetooth is not working as fast as what you call a LAN printer. Also, Bluetooth printers are expensive. This TSP printer is retail about $600 versus SNBC printer retail about $300, so it's double the price. But in a Bluetooth printer, you do not need any LAN or anything else. Now, my friends, I think that I tried to explain to you as much as I can. Let you show me again. We have one tablet, which is Windows Surface, is one of the best choice, and the best, one of the world best software, Winrest 32. Then we have a simple cash register application, Easy Power software, and then we have a full-blown desktop, which is Cash. Now you can use any terminal. You can use Cash, you can use Apogee Flex, you can use Pioneer. Pioneers are one of the best choice. Again, it's expensive because a same combination with a Pioneer to Cash runs between $3,500 to $2,500. This combination and a Surface can run about $1,500, and this tablet combination will run for less than $1,000. Now, all these three POS are very reliable, and I have quite a few installations. I work in industry for 50 years. As I say, started as a system designer and modification with the Suida International. That was my first job. My original graduation, my technical credential was not in a cash register. I am graduate in auto diesel technologies from Technical Training Center in Karachi, Pakistan. But they says if you are a mechanic, you can work on any machine, and if you are a programmer, you can modify to work on any program. A switching program from one to another for a programmer is not difficult. The same thing is as a scientist switching from one chemistry to microbiology or anything else is not difficult. But anyway, this is the product I like to present to you. Maybe the next production number 6 will be better. As I say, I'm not a professional photographer, and sometimes I have a difficulty now thinking and speaking a little bit, but not a lot. Thank you very much for sharing your time. You have any question, you can always contact me. This is my contact address, masoodecr.com, and you can go on my website, or you can call on my cell phone, or any question you have. One thing I'd like to do is I try to explain to you in a simple and easy way. I have done my share, so I really don't have worry too much about the what kind of item and how much money I make. I have done my share of work. I'm 75 and I try to keep myself busy. If I have said something wrong in this one, please ignore it and pardon me. Sometimes I don't want to get involved with the technical or legality things, but whatever I say is from my bottom of my heart. I congratulate Mr. Ziggy Janakowski of ABS POS providing this software, also to Mark Janakowski and Derek Janakowski, and we get super excellent help from John Lloyds. He's a nice gentleman and he thinks that the world is flat, so this is his opinion and we like it. Thank you.